Makawala ng urungan at wala nang makapagpigil pa sa Kimpaw. Kahapon ay sumalang na ang dalawa sa first Kimpaw Love World Tour sa Redwood City, California. At naging successful ang nasabing tour ng Kimpaw dahil jam-pack ang venue. Gayunpaman, sobrang pinasaya ng Kimpaw ang audience, lalo na si Paolo, sa kanta ng aktor na kahit anuman ang mangyayari, sa'yo pa rin uuwi palagi. Todo naman ang hiyangan mula sa audience at na-touch naman si Kim sa lyrics na ibinigkas ng aktor sa rap niya. Say naman ng netizens, uuwi si Pao palagi sa Kenny kahit paano, kasi tahanan ninyo ang isa't isa. Nakakaiyak pag makakita ka sa tunay na nagmamahalan. Oh wow naman, palagi nagmamahalan. Love na love ni Paolo si Kim, kasi ganyan na lang niya kantahan at talagaan niya. Titigan niya ng buong buo. Naiyak si Kenny, natagpuan na niya ang true love. Love you both, Kim Pao. True na to, 100%. Bakit parang naiyak si Kim? Pinipikit-pikit niya yung mata niya. Love nila ang isa't isa. Talaga, Pao, dahil wala kang ibang minahal noon at ngayon ng sobra na hindi nangwala in your heart and mind, si Kenny lang, even before you try to have a relationship with another girl. I think having a relationship before, pampalipas lang ng panahon habang meantime mo si Kemi, mientras hindi pa silang kasal ni Sean. Umaasa ka pa rin, kaya hindi ka rin nagpakasal kay Jody. Ang dumating na nga ang hinihintay mo pa. Sa kagustuhan mo makag-work si Kemi na walang jowa para walang sagaban at natataon na break na rin kayo ni Jody. Tadhana moves. Wow, lantaran talaga Papi Paolo Avellino and Miss Kincho Avellino. The eyes, they never lie. Bakit nakakaiyak? I love them, so happy for them. Maybe they really are so are meant to be. They finally got to work together at the perfect time. Nung panahon na buo na sila as dinsas, ayan na naman ako nakikihappy. The perfect timing. So at this part, they were emotional, but it's like they're on verge of tears. I can feel their emotions. Kemi deserves mo ultimate happiness. Nakaiyak yung pagpayakap ni Kemi with this hug. They were so happy that the first show was success. So feeling that I get to watch the first leg of the world tour. Worth it and 6 hours na flight for Kimpao. Same here, I don't know why, but when they sing and look at each other, it feels like you can really sense the genuine love they have to each other. All the heartbreaks, all the waiting, all the almost lead to less. He found the one worth changing for, and she found the one who will stay forever. Destiny really knows how to wait. Thank you, Lord, for crossing their path.